right, let's start Toon Squid. We're going to learn about mask. Okay, don't worry about that. I was just doing some tests. Okay, let's start with a picture. This is the picture that I drew. It could be any picture. It can even be an image. But I want you to remember the term black and white mask. Okay? Black and white mask. So the part that you want to make a mask over, click on it and select mask. Make sure you're on the right layer, which is the layer mask. Now remember, black hides and white shows. So choose black, and then you can hide parts of your image with the black. Okay? So I'm going to hide part of his face. And the reason why the text black and white is not affected is because it is obviously on another layer. Okay? Now let's say we messed up and we want the eye to come back. In which case you want to select the white right next to the black. Okay? So the white would bring back the eye or any other part of the image that you want to bring back. Okay, like this. Good. So let's do it again. Let's hide this image, hide the drawing, and let's show this drawing of the monk that I imported. Click on it and select mask. And it's the same concept. We want to use the black to hide. Okay. And although I am painting in black, it'll show up as white. But don't let that confuse you. We're not actually drawing on the image. We are drawing on the layer on top of the image. Okay, see? The top image is in brighter blue. And like before, let's say that I didn't want his ear to be part of the mask. What do? Well, remember the saying, black and white mask. So let's go with white. And I can reveal the ear or anything else that I messed up with. Why is this convenient? This is convenient because you can go back and forth and hide and unhide things and make it really nice and perfect the way you want it to be. White to reveal, right? White to reveal, and black to hide. I'm just going to hide his head here for some reason, but you get the concept. So let's go ahead and make these two invisible. Delete. Just doing some cleanup. Don't worry about it. And this time I'm just going to go and insert a photo. Okay, I'm going to do these horses. I'm going to make these horses large. And you notice that the black and white text disappears. Why? It's because it's on another background in the back. If you want to put it on the top, go ahead and put it on the top. And now it's on the top. Now we're going to do the same thing with these horses. We're going to make a mask. And what hides the mask? Black hides the mask. So we're going to paint with the black. And we're going to hide the black horse. But let's say you messed up on this horse right here, on the one adjacent to the black horse, and you messed up on this one right here, right? You're not, you know, you just really messed up like that, right? Let's be obvious, because so how do we fix our mask? We use the white, and these two colors are adjacent to one another, and just to make show, like, you know, there's a ghost mask right there. Okay, and of course, you know, that doesn't affect any other layers that you're going to draw on. Let's do red, right? You know, a star here and a star here and a star there, and you can, and it works just like any other layers in Procreate. And that's how you could incorporate the mask in your drawings. Okay? So that's mask. And remember, black, white, mask. Black hides. White shows. Okay? Black hides, white shows. Although it doesn't look like black and it doesn't look like white, that's what you're painting with, black and white. But always make sure you're on the right layer, the layer mask layer, to get the effect of the mask. Okay?